The quick hitch. Hello everybody, welcome back, and today's little knot is the quick hitch. Okay, so here's my first question to you. So if you know about this, because I know there's some knotting experts do watch this, why is it not called a bend? Okay, my understanding is that usually when you join two ropes together, it forms a bend. But in this particular case, this one is known as the quick hitch. Anyway, with regards to this knot, this one is so quick to tie, it's so quick to release, and to be honest, if it wasn't for me cackling on, this would be the shortest video in the world. Now, from what I understand is that this only has one use, and the idea is that it's often used by arborists when they require another rope. What they do is they attach the quick hitch onto the rope. So the main rope is the yellow rope that's already doing something, and if they want another rope passing up to them, what they do is they attach it using the quick hitch, hoist it up to where they want, and then watch this. This is beautiful. Just with one hand, it's off. There's no twisting or anything like that, and it just comes undone so easy. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on and let's get knotting. Okay, so here we have the scenario. This is the main rope going up a tree, and let's pretend my friend Matthew J. Norman, if you don't know about him, he's got a couple of videos online, so look up Matthew J. Norman. He's up a very tall tree, lopping off branches, and to be honest, it looks damn terrifying to me. But anyway, let's get on and tie the quick hitch. So Matthew's up the tree. This is up the line going up the tree. He's up there somewhere, and he shouts down to his lad and he says, "Oi lad, I want another rope up here." And so what happens now is what we do is we tie the quick hitch. And to tie the quick hitch, the first thing I'm going to do is just move that rope out the way. And the first thing that happens here is we form a bight into the one that's going up the tree. We then bring our other rope towards it and we form another bight. So in other words, just form another bight to the right hand side of that. And you can see here now, if I just bring that into view, you can see here my left hand side is my working end, my right hand side is my standing end. So when I form that bight, I then pass my yellow bight through the red bight, just like that. As simple as that. And then the next thing I do is I get my working end, which is this one here, and I form another bight in that. So I formed a bight there, and then that bight there, we pass it through the yellow one. So we've got a bight going through a bight, and then what we do is we just gently pull it up, dress it up nicely, and there we have it. We now have the quick hitch that's attached to our main line going up the tree. So Matthew J. Norman, check him out. He can now pull this up the tree, and then the beautiful thing about this particular knot is that once he has got hold of it, all he needs to do is pull on this one here, and look at that. He doesn't need to unwrap it, use two hands or anything like that. He just needs one hand to make this come undone. And it's so simple, so quick and so simple. So let's show you that again, because otherwise it's the shortest video in the world. For those of you who've got it, that's fine. So what we do now is we've got our yellow cordage there, and the first thing that we do is we form a bight in our yellow cordage, which is going up the tree. Then we bring our right hand. In our right hand here, we have the red cordage, the cordage that we want to pass up the tree. And in my left hand is the working end. And all I'm going to do is form a bight in my cordage. So left hand is working end, right hand is standing end. I then pass the yellow bight through the red bight and just leave it like that. Then I then form a bight in my working end and form a bight, and as I form a bight, I pass that working end, the bight that I've just formed, through that point there, and you can see now here, just dress it up, tighten it up a little bit, otherwise it will slip. And there you have it. We now have the quick hitch. Matthew can now drag that up the tree, and then once it's at the position he wants, he can just get hold of with one hand and just pull on it gently, and it comes undone. Okay, so a really, really quick, fast knot. However, just be warned, this knot is prone to slipping. It's only designed to lift ropes up into position. You can't swing off it because it will slip, it will fail. It's just one simple task that the quick hitch does, and that is for you to be able to move or get ropes up a tree or something like that. So anyway, once again, thanks very much for watching. If you liked it, if you hated it, you know the routine, and please do comment and tell me about your experiences. Thanks very much then. Take care then. Bye-bye.